Hi everyone, welcome to Ava and me Kids Toys channel. Today we are having a Play-Doh playset making Mickey and Friends tools from Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Here's the bag. So alright, let's check this set and let's open. Here we got the Play-Doh. Minnie Mouse bow. Here's Mickey Mouse. And we have Play-Dohs. We have blue, pink, and oh my gosh, red. Wow, that is super cool. Here's the roller. We have a cutter. Molds. Wow. It's Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. And we have a cutter. And here we have a cutter, and this is Pluto. First, let's do the book mold. Let's make Daisy and Donald Duck. Next, let's try the stopper. We have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Here we have Minnie Mouse. Now let's try Goofy's footsteps. Footprints. Now we have Goofy's footprints. Now let's make a pink bow. Wow, that's excellent. Oh, hi there, Minnie Mouse. I'd like to eat some pretzels and some cookies. Would you make one for me? Sure, Goofy. I'd like to make some for you. Here, we'll try to make a cookie for Goofy using brown Play-Doh. And we're gonna use the cutter to get it. Maybe not. Oh wow, so here are cookies. Let's put some chocolate chip on it. Oopsie. That looks yum. Now let's make pretzels. And this is a dark brown Play-Doh. Oh my, that looks really yum. And let's put some salt on it. That looks fantastic. Well, thank you, Minnie Mouse. That looks really cool. So delicious. No problem, Goofy. Glad you love him. Now I'm ready to eat. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. This is Jen of Ava and Me Kids Toys channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe right here at Ava and Me Kids Toys channel. Thanks for watching.